so it's a new day and I just seen this on my For You page. So I'm about to do this since I just got those new pillows from Marshalls. So I'm about to do that real quick. And you guys are gonna do it with me. Impulse, impulse. She laid her pillows flat with the two big pillows right there, right? And everyone knows I'm a pillow girly and I like my pillows. Mama, what are you doing these days? Hey, shout out to my family. What y'all doing?
We out minding our business. Now get off my phone.
Say hey to the vlog.
Hey guys, my name is Rachel. I'm the real Rachel. Follow me on YouTube. Whatever, J man. Get off my phone. What do you want?
Mom, I can hear your phone now.
I can't. Dang, I can't even have privacy.
What privacy?
Talking to my husband about things.
Invite me. I had this bright idea to do it like this. Does this look better?
That looks dumb. I like the other way.
Well, I'm doing it this way because you want to know what? You don't have aesthetics.
Look at this dumb. Do you have my phone?
Alright guys, let's brush my teeth because that didn't took a little minute. And my breath stinks. And so does yours. So you should go rebrush your teeth as well before you talk junk about me. I just peeled the mess out of my lip for like an hour and a half because I don't know. But anyways, so I'm about to make Chipotle bowls and yeah, okay, that's just what I'm about to do. I'm about to try and see if y'all can see me cooking this time because like it's just hard to it's hard doing all of this by myself. So yeah, I made the Chipotle sauce. How you even cook? Wait, no, for real, I forgot. We're gonna clean the rice first. How you clean rice? Don't ask me. I actually don't do everything by the book, okay? And I told myself all 2026 I'm gonna be stuck in for all 2026 I'm going to be being myself, okay? If you don't like who I am, I don't like who you are. Hold on, bleep that, I'm on the rap. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. Wait, for real, what do you mean for a Chipotle bowl? How you even cook these days? Rice, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not finna talk for real because I actually wanna watch my show, which is Industry, because I didn't know season 3 and 4 was out. So we finna watch that. You always gotta search black people for the TikTok recipes, okay?
We can all agree that we can all. How to make Chipotle chicken at home?
She's on FaceTime.
Who's calling that shit? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
I don't know if y'all noticed about me, but I hate the smell of food on me, so you know what I'm about to do. Take a shower. Oh, y'all. I got these cute tops from Walmart. Shout out to No Boundaries. Love them down. I got this t-shirt. This t-shirt, which I'm about to put on right now. I got this. Hold on. Is there makeup on here? I got this tank top. These were $2. I mean, $3. I got this t-shirt. I got this. Y'all, want that? My mom used to always have yellow in her house, and I'm starting to learn the color theory, so I've been getting stuff to match my energy, so because I feel like it charges me up. I don't care. Now I got this tank top. So cute. Okay, period. So let me get in the shower. Got me in the mouth. Let me get in the shower. Get down and dirty after. Hold on, wait.
She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She hit the main stage, she made the people say yeah, 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 yeah. I can put you in the condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in Marcielago. I put you in the beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good, you make me wanna spin it all on you. Get about this club, slide with your boy, we can do what you wanna. Yeah, baby, I bought you in the back cause you need a little persuasion, plus you need a little ventilation. Let's talk about you, yeah, me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. Nah, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. Nah, and you don't understand, she made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She hit the main stage, she make the people say yeah. She make the people say yeah. She make the people say yeah. Yeah. Now I can put you south, and keep running your mouth. And if your brothers come tripping, I'ma show them with these teardrops falling. Shawty, I was just playing, ooh, but I could take it to the grave, man. Island themselves, you screaming, island won't be making love on the beach. The people see what we doing. Now they pointing, ooh, man. Oh, but we gon' keep on doing it like it just me and you and no one else around. It went down on the balcony and the lights out flipping house sweet. Shorty like I'm out about the penthouse sheets. That's why I got her on my penthouse sheets. And oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me. She all on me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. And I can't I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me. She on me. I think she want me. She want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, and you don't understand. She made the people say yeah. She make the people say yeah. Make the people say yeah. Ooh, ooh, she all on me. She on me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, I can't believe it.
It's the
like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, got in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by more, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merged. My young niggas kill, get away, they be purging. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of verses. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going at nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, color and shot in my driving name Sally. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't wait like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck that we popping them. Been raising hell back in school, I was popping them. Yeah, all of my hoes get face to face. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking prices too high and I raised. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah.
If you're looking for a romantic gift to yourself, this is for you. Molly Jewelry sent me this beautiful ring. Look at this. Your diamonds ain't dancing like this. Like, don't lie. Look how pretty this is. It's dancing with no light on it. That's what I'm saying. You can select your size. I personally got a size 8. Material, you can get engraving inside. Example, I could put J. Renee in here. I told myself for 2026, I'm going to make promises to myself to never give up on myself again. And this ring was the perfect gift to exceed that. You have full customization freedom. Mine is silver plated with a dual stone. Luxury quality without the luxury markup. I don't got $1,000 for this. Less than $400. If you guys are bougie on a budget and you don't want to spend $100K on a ring, this is the place for you. I love their rings. Oh my gosh, they have so many more. This nature inspired design. Like, look at this, it's so pretty. I would have thought this is an engagement ring. Just a promise ring. And they have bigger stones as well. I'm telling everybody this is $1,000. Over time it's not. Everyday wear ring without it being overbearing. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm married. I'm married to the game. Every sparkle is for you who cherish yourself. Head to Molly Jewelry US to customize your own jewel stone for yourself or for someone you cherish. Let every moment of daily life shine with its own glow. Self-love gift. You can get engraving on it. Oh my gosh, I love this company. I will be telling my man to go get our engagement ring from here. Okay, the ring is dancing like this. No cleaning, no nothing. It's just dancing.
Hey y'all, so I got this new ring from Molly Jewelers. For one, let's talk about this packaging. Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10, I really love. I thought I was marrying myself. Like, oh my gosh, it came with some, a cloth to clean your jewelry. Tells you about the jewelry, in a little pamphlet, and here's the ring. Oh my gosh, look at this. Diamonds dancing. Was so pretty. I felt like I was married. Y'all, they have so many other types of rings. This gave me like a mystical, whimsical feel. I was so in love with this ring. Click the link in my bio to shop their other rings. You can get things engraved into them. If you want to get married on you like different type of rings, you have to check them out. Like, this is 10 out of 10. I love this. Like, I had to tell my man to go ahead and look and get me some on here, because what? That emerald color, oh my gosh, I was so in love. You're not a traditional girly. I would suggest checking them out. Love, love, love. Shop Molly Jewelers today. Link in bio.
Wait.